Hi guys, we are going to discuss about source code repository. Why we are using source code repository. So when the team in the projects they are working code base, multiple team members are working on the code base, right? So they want to push the changes and they want to maintain the common place, right? So that they can take the updated code base and they can work on it because multiple teams are working. So we have to maintain the source code somewhere in the common place, right? That's why we are going for source code repository. Source code repository is something which is maintaining the code, and if somebody is working on the code and they're pushing the changes, and other people will pull that changes and then they're working on it. So when we're working on the projects, we have to always working on the updated code base, right? So that's why we are going for source code repository. We are using Github source code repositories are open source, so we can use other code source code repository like Bitbucket. There are multiple source code repository in the market, but I'm going to use Github repository, right? So and in that source code repository we are going to push the changes. To push the changes, we need to commit the code changes, right? So to interact the source code Github source code repository, we have to use a client. We can use for we can use git bash client. Git bash is one of the command line tool we can use. There are multiple clients are there. I can prefer to use git bash, right? I am using git bash. So when we are getting the practical session, we will see how we can install git bash and how we can use the git bash. Using the git bash, we can push our code changes, we can push our modified files into the source code repository, right? GitHub repository. And code merge and pull request. What is code merge? Code merge means something, let's say QA environment, testing environment is using the main branch, right? Main branch or master branch, but our team is using some local branch, let's say Cloud4. So we are all pushing the changes in Cloud4. When we are deploying to QA environment or testing environment, we have to merge the changes to the main branch. For that branch, to push the changes to main branch, we have to create a pull request first. We have to get updated code from the main branch to our local branch, and then we have to raise a up merge. Up merge is something like we are going to merge our changes from our local repository, local branch to our main branch. So we have to, on basis on the approval from our tech lead or architect, they'll review and they will merge the code changes, right? So that's why we are using code merge. And create branch. Creating the branch can be done in multiple ways. We can use create branch using like git bash client. We can create a branch, or we can put to the GitHub portal and we can create a branch, or let's say we have main branch, on top of it you can create another branch. So all the main branch changes will come to your newly created branch. From there you can start working on that. But whenever we are pushing the changes to the main branch, we have to create a merge request, and the merge request will be approved your manager or your tech lead or architect, and then you can changes are available. If there is any conflicts, then we have to, because conflicts means something like you are working on the file, same file some other people are modified in the main branch. So in that case, we have to, conflict will come, we have to take the file, we have to take manually merge it, and then we have to push it, right? This is one of the scenario I am just telling. And branching strategy. Branching strategy means how from our local branch to your QA and production, how the changes are going to production. So which are all branches we are using. Let's say we are using main branch in our testing environment and are merging that, and going to staging, another branch will be tagged. So we are merging that staging branch. And then production branch, they will use some other tag, the version number they will use, and they will merge the changes to the production branch. Once the production branch is success, the deployment is success, and page is up and everything, no issues are found, then works are fine. Then what we can do is we are going to down merge from all the changes, whatever the new branches are deployed in the production, that will be pushed to the master branch. From the master branch, then we are taking from the master branch to main branch. Main branch will be, again we will come to main branch. From the main branch, every team member will take the changes from the main branch, so in their own branch, and they will start working on that. So like that they will use different branching strategy based on the projects, or they will use that. So I'm just telling one strategy, one branching strategy which are which is going to deploy in production, right? Let's get into the practical session, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, we are going to create a GitHub account. To create a GitHub account is a straightforward way. create GitHub account. So you can go to the first link maybe. So you can create a password is ready. Since I have already created a GitHub account, I can see this screen. Otherwise you need to create a repository name and you have to give public or private and then user ID password, and it will be created. Once it will be created, you will get the screen like this, where you can go and create a repository, and you can create a repository, right? And then git bash. To install git bash client, you can select install git bash client Windows. You give like this git bash Windows. You can check the git downloads, git bash, git for Windows. Maybe you can git bash or git for Windows. You can use this download git bash. So it will download for Windows and you can work on it, right? Git bash. Once you install, I have already installed git bash, so I will get the screen like this, git bash. See, I can get like this window. So if you open that, you will go to the command prompt, you will get Linux experience. So you can use Linux commands and then you can commit the code, right? You can install in Windows and you can use that commands, right? So first I am going to create a repository. So I'm going to right hand side plus symbol, create new repository. Once you go in there, owner is Cloud Academy. So this will come when you are creating the account. Repository name you can say GitHub demo code base. GitHub demo code base, you can say GitHub demo. You can GitHub demo code base, right? Public or private repository, you can make it public now, and create repository. So it will be created. Once it's created, you can see the command. See, get init we have to put, and then git commit, first commit, and then this is a base. This branch is main branch. If you want to change the branch, you can change it. So now what I will do is I'm going to take the code base. I have already source code is there, but it's not committed in Git repository. I'm going to take the plain code. Let's say Udemy Spring Boot course demo. So I'm taking this code, I'm copying that. Let's say all this code base I'm copying. Instead of that, I'm copying only one code. I'm copying this couch base. I'm copying the couch base, and then create GitHub demo. In that, I just copy the source code. GitHub demo, I copy the source code, right? So now I copy the source code. This is a source code place. From here you can copy this location and then open the git bash client. This is git bash client. Once you open the git bash client, you can run the Linux command pwd. Currently this is in, you can see the path is there, cd dot. Now pwd is a C drive. Now you can copy this command and paste it. This command will go to this directory, source code directory, git udemy, and then cd, one by one you can go git udemy, and then now you get into the directory where our source code resides. Source code directory, this is a source code directory. Couch base is there, right? Now we are going to fire this command git init. Once you create a repository, so this command saying git init, you're going to give git init, so repository is initialized, and then git add star. So we have to add all these things. We have to add git status. If you put status, you can see no commits are there, right? Git status, and then clear git add star. If you put git add star, it will order the code base. Now if you put git status, you can see all these green marks are newly added. Still not pushing to the repository, but it's yet to add, needs to be commit, then only it will push the changes to the repository. Now if I go to the repository, nothing will be there. I'm going to duplicate repository, nothing will be there. So what you can do is git bash, git push, and then you can come here, git commit. Now we have to git commit minus m we have to put, right? Git commit minus m, and then github demo code. Now code is committed. Now we have to push the code. To push the code, we have to first git origin. This repository path we have to add. Normally git clone we have to use. Instead of git clone, I am directly adding git remote add. Git clone also is possible. We can do the git clone and then we can add the repository. So now added this repository, we have mapped this, and then git push origin main branch, main or master branch, any branch you can give. I am giving main branch. So this command, if you could fail to push origin master, I think master branch is there. See, master branch is there, so it is pushing to master branch. Now our code changes are pushed to the GitHub repository. You can give git status, nothing is there to commit. Now we can go to the repository, git bash code base. See, this code is committed. You can check this code. See, this code is committed. See, this is source code. Source code is coming here. So this is how we need to use the GitHub repository to push the code. Now if you see that this is a master branch, right? If you want to create another branch, just click the drop down and then create cloud demo. Let's say create cloud demo, create branch. Click below one, create branch. Now create cloud demo is the code base. Now git checkout. Now git branch. Git branch. If you see the branch name, master, right? Now git checkout. Do checkout cloud demo. Cloud demo did not match any file, so we have to see cloud CLOUDO cloud demo. Not like this. Git branch, I guess. Git branch cloud demo. Yeah. Now git branch master branch. Now git checkout, checkout cloud demo. Yeah, now switch it to, so git checkout cloud demo means now this branch will pointing to that. If you see git branch, see cloud demo is pointing to cloud demo now. So right, so now if you go here, you can check this same changes are available here also. Here both branches are available. If you do modification, let's say cloud branch, you do some modification, you can add some file. Let's say I'm adding a file, new file I'm adding. Let's say test demo. I added test demo file. Test demo file. I added commit changes. So where is added? I added in this branch cloud demo. So now if you want to merge the code, what you can do is pull request. You have to go to pull request and create new pull request. We have to create new pull request. So we have to also, this is a master branch. I selected the master branch to right click to Cloud4 demo branch. So this is how code merge will work. Create pull request, code merge you have to do. See, now there is only one file, test demo file is created. That file will push to the master branch. It will be pushing from cloud demo to master branch. Create pull request. I raise a pull request. No conflict, no conflicts, nothing. Now no conflicts. So on branch merge can be automatically merged. Now it's merged, automatically merged, because there are no changes, there are no conflicts, so merged. So if you want to create any If you want any approval flow, we can create. So now I have not created that. I am directly merging. So now merge request button is icon is coming after cloud. Now this branch has no conflicts with the base branch. There are no conflicts between the master branch and cloud 4, right? Cloud demo. Now if you want to merge pull request, you can merge it. If you merge and confirm merge, you can give a command merge for file added in cloud demo branch, confirm merge. So this is how we have to code merge, and we have to do like create pull request and then create. Now code is merged. Now if you go there and check, we can check that. Now I'm going to demo code base branch master branch. I'm clicking this branch is in master branch, right? If we see this file, test demo file is there. So this is how we have to merge the file from the cloud demo to master. So like that you can merge any branch from master to main branch. You can merge, you can create another branch, you can merge it. And so this is how we have to. So these code changes are available. First it was there in cloud demo, now it's merged to master branch, right? So if you want to pull, if you want to get updated code, we have to git pull. Do git pull, it will take updated code. Git pull, see, git pull, it will take updated code. From there we can work on it. Now the branch name is cloud demo. If you want to switch GitHub checkout and cloud master, then it will go to master branch. Let's say GitHub checkout master. Now it will go to master. See, master branch is coming. So this is how we have to manage. We have to push the code changes, we have to commit the code changes or the files, and then we have to create a branch. So the create a merge request and upload, pull the merge request, right? Push the merge request. This is how we need to work on the Github Source Repository. Thank you for watching. We are looking forward to join our Pro 4 Academy.